amazing artist? You're going to be doing a botanical drawing of the honeysuckle plant. This is also can be called nature journaling, because nature journaling is when you take a little journal, you go outside in the peaceful air, and you make a drawing about something you see, like maybe a honeysuckle plant, like this one. So we're going to do a honeysuckle plant. There's a lot of other choices you could do for your botanical drawing, but you could pick anything that you see in nature. It could be a tree or anything, and that's what you can draw. Let's start by looking at this plant. At the tip of this plant, I see one section with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little parts sticking out. Look at that. Actually, there's 7. Wow, I thought all of them had 6, but it actually has 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to start with a little dot. I'm doing mine with Sharpie, but you're doing it with pencil. And we're going to go out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Because there's 6 little lines coming out. Next thing we're going to do. Look at that little U shape right here. It kind of looks like a baseball bat, doesn't it? Yeah. So I'm going to make it go rounded like that. And it looks like it's the beginning of a baseball bat. I can even take it off. When you're doing nature journaling, you can even take it off and look at it. And I'm going to connect that to make it look like a baseball bat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, this one actually had 7, remember? So I could do 7. Oh, silly. Now, between this part that has 6 and this part, there's a little stem. So I'm going to make a little stem come down like that. And then there's another part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this part. There's 6 on that part. So I'm going to go from this little spot. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And remember, if it goes too fast, you can re-watch the video. I'm going to go down to the dot with the stem. That's this part that connects. I'm making it a little bit bigger just to give it some more space. Some of these are like the baseball bats, but they're bigger than these ones. And some of them are opening up already. See, look at that one. What happened? That baseball bat shape opened up to be a flower. So I'm going to show you how to make that. But let's make a few of these into the baseball bat shape. So around and back. 1, 2, baseball bat. Bring the line down. Baseball bat. Line down. So now let's make the 2 flowers. How many petals do we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's kind of like a little circle right here. It's not really a circle, it just goes deep into the flower. So I'm making that part that looks deep. And now I'm going to make the 5 petals. So it's a rainbow shape and a smile shape. A rainbow shape and a smile shape on its side. Rainbow, smile, rainbow, smile. How many times? 5. Rainbow, smile. Now, remember when we did the baseball bat, we had the line that went back? We still have to do it on this part too. But it just doesn't have that baseball bat. So starting here, if it only has 4, if you only have room for 4, that's okay. That's okay, because you know what, sometimes, look if I turn this away, now I can only see like 4 of them because it's turned. So sometimes when you turn the flower, you only see 2 or 3 or 4 petals. Let's do this one. This time I'm going to try to draw it without the circle. I'm just going to imagine the circle there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if you can do it that way. If that way's too hard, do it like that.
It looks like a star.
It does look like a star. inside these, what do you guys see? Do you see those little lines sticking out?
Yes.
You see them? They look like this. They go out and then they go across like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like that. Yeah. Next step. Under this one, I broke this one on accident by holding it. I was not very gentle. But there were 3 sections, 1, 2, 3, that had flowers all over them. I'm going to get one from another table. But let's bring our stem down. Look at my stem. If it crosses over the petal, it has to stop and then go. Yours might not cross over it like that. But if it does, don't put a line through your petal because you don't want to draw a line through your petal. And if you do, that's okay. All right, next step. Look at this one. This one has all 3. So it has the first one we did, the second one, and now the third one. Let's count how many are on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of those. Raise your hand if you have an idea of what we're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on each of these, ready, everybody count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are any of those still in the baseball bat looking stage where they haven't opened yet? Do you want to see me open it?
Yeah.
Watch, this is so cool. We can help it open a little bit early. Let's see. Look it. What's inside? What happens when it opens up? It becomes a flower. We'll be the wind and help open it up. Yay. Open, open. And look, it has all the little pollen. All those little things are where the pollen is. Isn't that cool? We made it open. All right, but some of them are not open. So some of them are going to have that baseball bat look. So put it a little round and come back. 1, let's make 3 of them like that. 2 and 3. Those ones are still closed. They're not ready to open yet. Now we have 3 that are open. So we're going to make those 3 like this one. If it helps you to make a little circle, make a little circle. If you don't want to make the circle, you're going to do the smile shape and the rainbow shape. The smile and the rainbow. Smile, rainbow, smile, rainbow. How many times? How many did we count? 1, 2, 3. That one has 4 because it's not all the way open. But when this opens, then it will have 5. Now it has 5 because it's open. And they have those little parts that come out like this. And then on the top, that's the pollen. That's how it's going to make more flowers. And then we need to connect the line back. So we're going to make the connection. Now let's do the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And one more. If I go too fast, don't you worry because are you going to get to do it again? Yeah, we'll do it again. We'll play the video again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do 5 on that one. All right, are we done or did we forget something? The leaves. So we're going to keep coming down from the flower like this. Now there are different kinds of leaves on this plant. What is the difference between the ones that are really close to the flower? Look, really close to the flower. They look like this. But then away from the flower, they look like this. Isn't that cool? So we've got to make the ones that look like this first. They go like this. They start here with a rainbow. And then the smile starts down the stem, not here. Go down, down, down. And make your smile. Now the other side matches up. So we're going to do a rainbow on this side. And then we're going to go down, down, down and make our smile. And they have this part that brings the water from the stem to this middle part, and then the water goes, and the water goes this way and this way, like Y's. See the Y? We make kind of like V's and Y's like we do when we make the trees. Let's do that again. So line from here to the tip, line up for the water to travel all the way from the roots to the stem to the leaves. Isn't that cool how that can go? Make some Y and V shapes. But these ones look different, don't they? Do these ones go like that really far away, or are they really close? The top and the bottom are really close. They go like this. From the same spot, they go rainbow and then smile. Rainbow, and from the same spot, smile. But the patterns in the leaf are the same. They go like this, up, this way, and then make a Y. This way, make a Y. This way, make a Y. Make another Y, a backwards Y. This way, make a Y, a backwards Y. A Y and a V. Maybe make a little V right here, or a Y shape. And then, do we want the water to go up this way to this leaf? Yeah, we want the water to go everywhere. So the flower won't be thirsty and they can open. Mona,
Lisa.
Who remembers what analogous colors means? What does it mean, Maverick?
It means they're three colors together.
Yeah, they're three together, three next to each other. You can pick any color you want that's next to each other. I want to pick warm colors that I see in this plant. After you trace with Sharpie, you're going to get to do the watercolor. Who would like to start tracing with Sharpie while you listen? All right, we're going to have time to get your Sharpie out. You have Sharpies at your table, so get your Sharpies out. And while you're tracing with the Sharpies, listening. I hear one talking. I should hear no talking.
I don't have any paint.
But you don't have paint. Alright, which table's gonna get a point? Mona,
Lisa.
point for blue, point for white, and point for yellow. Who's the scorekeeper? You were so quick to be fast. So those three tables earned a Happy Picasso. Can you put some Happy Picassos on there? And three. One for all three tables that were quiet. Analogous colors are colors next to each other. So purple, blue, and green. Or yellow, green, and blue. Orange, yellow, green. Red, orange, and yellow are next to each other. And those are the ones I'm going to choose. So I'm going to get water on the paper. Water. Then get the red. Ooh, that kind of looked orange. Water, paint, paper. Water, paint, paper. Now, you can leave your flower white if you want, or you can paint the whole thing. Remember this one I showed you? This one is all colored. And then this one, what did I leave white?
Here's a leaf. I found
What's left white, Linnea?
The player.
Yeah, so you could do it that way if you want to. So I'm going to go around it to leave most of it white. It's okay if not all of it's white. Water, paint, paper. See how it goes. The magic's in the water. The magic's in the water. Water, paint, paper. Ooh, these are pretty colors, aren't they? And where's the magic? The magic's in the water, so I'm just getting a lot of water. Water, water, water. The magic's where? In the water. How many colors can I use? Nope, you can use 3. I'm using red and orange and yellow. You can use 3 colors that are next to each other, but you can pick any 3 colors next to each other in the rainbow. Look how pretty it is when you drop little drops of water on there. It makes it so pretty. And I'm leaving the flower black and white. You could paint all over the flower if you wanted and make the whole thing colored, the whole paper colored. It's your choice. These are your choices for colors. You can choose any of these.